Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video.
This is an ergonomic pencil, and if you have a child that's really struggling to learn how to hold a regular pencil, this is a really great tool. I'll post a direct link for it and a product review on otkidsmass.com, so you'll be able to take a look. But here's how this works. You just take your hand and place your index finger on the top of the pencil, so that's how you're holding it now. And it's providing a decent rest for the index finger, and you just start to write, and that's it. It's very comfortable and it's very inexpensive. And that's it.